What have you been doing, Ashley? Have you been painting? Yeah? Hey. Are you about to hop in the bath now, are you? Yeah? Bath? Good girl. With bubbles? It has got bubbles. It's a bubble bath. That's right. Okay, are you ready to go in? You are? Mummy will put this down then. Say, ta-ta, camera. Ta-ta. Good girl. What are you doing, Ash? Are you going to splash in the water? Oh, wow. Is that fun? Yes, it is fun. It is fun. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Are you going to splash some more? Wow. Splash, splash, splash. Yeah. Okay, Ashley, bye-bye. Say ta-ta. Good girl. Love you. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you.